Thank you guys for joining me today. We've already leveled up the units. If you haven't seen those videos, go back and check those out. If you're being under this pecan tree, it really takes in a lot of leaves, a lot of half-eaten pecans. So now that the fall and winter season is over, we're going to clean this one out. But before we do that, we want to make sure we turn it off inside the house and also here at the breaker box. Now this is regular maintenance that I have to do just because I'm under these two pecan trees. We're going to go ahead and take this top off and see what it looks like. I just set the top on this one real quick, just for a minute. We're expecting a lot of rain tomorrow, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the top off of this one and clean the inside of it out too. Well, there wasn't quite enough wire for me to be able to turn this one over, so I had to have my wife come and hold the top up so that I could get in here and clean this out. So no video on this one, guys. Well, now that the inside is cleaned out, I'm going to use this coil cleaner to clean off the fins or the coils on the outside of the unit. It's a foaming spray, it's easy to use. Just spray it all on the outside, even on the inside if you wanted to. Right about here is where I ran out of power on my GoPro. Been having some trouble with it powering up or charging up lately, so I do apologize for that, guys. God bless you. Have a good day.